Hi, welcome. My name is Felicity Ross, and I'm going to show you today how to turn this paper into a zine. All you need is some favorite coloring pencils, crayons, anything you can decorate your zine with. You're going to need a bone flyer. If you don't, you can use this. Right here is like a regular card and some scissors. Okay, the next step, you have went and scanned the QR and you download the Zine and then you printed it out. Now what we're going to do is put it together. Take your piece of paper. I want you to, hot dog means the long way. I want you to fold it the long way. Pinch it right here in the corner and then we're going to slide down so carefully, but I see that it's off. So just take your paper, pinch it again at the bottom to match at your top. And then we're going to hold it. We're going to smooth it lightly with our finger down. Now take your piece of paper and we're going to position it in the hamburger way, which is the short way. We're going to take it again and fold it and pinch on each side to make sure you can go into the middle and make sure both ends are meeting up each other. Now we're going to pinch it on the side and then we're going to slightly slide down and you have the hamburger position. The next step, I want you to open your paper, take it back to the hot dog position. Then I want you to take this corner right here and meet it in the middle where this crease is. So we're going to take it and fold it, place it right here, right by the middle. We're going to pinch and slightly slide down. We're going to take this side also and meet in the middle. And we're going to slightly pinch the corner and slide down, just like that. And the reason why we're doing that, because now we're going to open it up and we should have 8 squares on the paper. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want you to take your paper and fold it back in the hamburger position. Now it's time to take our scissors and I want you to start here and cut exactly right in the middle. Don't go any further. So let's do it. We cut it in the middle. And now I want you to pick up your paper. And then I want you to go to the long way, the hot dog way. And if you see a flap, that means you're doing exactly what you need to do. So the flap should have, okay, you should have a flap now. When you put the flap together, it's going to create your book. You can take it, each page, and go around. But this is the time I like to pick up and lay my book flat and use my bone fire. My bone filer is very good. Then I like to pick it back up and do my flap. And then I see that I need to take my bone fire and spread it again smoothly. And let's do it again for each page. If you don't have a bonfire, you know, I told you you have an option to use a card. In my case, I have one, so I'm going to use it. Now, let's open it. Let me do it one more time. Okay, we have the front cover of the book, zine book. And let's open it. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, the back cover. Let's turn it over again. Now, let's take our nice coloring pencils, whatever you choose, colors, markers. So I'm going to color. You have the option to just color in your words. I love this Zine because you can color it, and also it has one big coloring page that I'm excited about. And let's get to that page. Where can you find that coloring page? Well, open up your Zine and let's go to the last 2 pages. It says color me. So I wonder what it means. Let's open. Ta-da! Yes. On this page, I would, if you have a best friend or a friend, and I want you to list 7 things you like about your best friend. Like me, my best friend is very patient. My best friend is very talkative. Or I love to spend a night over my best friend's house. We have fun together when we shop at the mall or go shopping at our favorite store. Or we read our favorite books together. I mean, just 7 things. And once you color that, you can give this to your friend or best friend or new friend. And then if you're going to give this away, I want you to put tape right here after you color the page, okay? And my friends, that is it for the Zine.